If you look at welding, which is the slowest of the processes, the typical welding cycle time is 3 minutes, which means you load the profile, then the heater plate comes and heats, that's about 30 to 40 seconds. Then the heater plate goes up and the two profiles get butted against each other under pressure. That happens for about 40 seconds to 1 minute, and then you unload. So the total thing from loading to unloading, that takes about 3 minutes. Now if I have a single head welder, then for welding a complete rectangle I need to weld 4 corners separately. So I have 4 corners, 3 minutes, 12 minutes, I get 1 rectangle. So in an hour I will get 5 rectangles, 60 divided by 12, and for 8 hours I have 8 into 5, 40 rectangles or 40 frames in 8 hours. That's how much a single head welder would do. For a 2 head inline welder, we take 3 minutes to weld the first 2 corners, turn it around and weld the another 2 corners. That is 6 minutes and 1 complete frame gets welded. So it's 10 rectangles per hour, 80 frames in 8 hours. If you have a 3 or a 4 head inline welder in which you weld 4 corners simultaneously on a same machine, you are able to weld all the 4 corners simultaneously. If it's all 4 V's or 2 flatheads and 2 V's in between, that kind of a machine, then you are able to weld 4 corners in one setting. So 3 minutes for 4 corners and turn around the profiles, and another 3 minutes for the balance 4 corners. Totally 6 minutes. Totally 6 minutes, you get 2 rectangles. So per rectangle your time comes to 3 minutes, which means 20 rectangles in 1 hour. So 160 frames or rectangles get welded in 8 hours. In a quad, it's again 3 minutes. So you have 20 rectangles an hour. So 160 frames in 8 hours, 8 into 20. In a quad with double stack, we will add 1 minute for the loading and unloading. Why? Because it's double stack. So you take the same time, a little more time to load, the same time for the welding, actual welding to happen, and then the unloading happens. The lower piece goes out first. When it reaches the end of the machine, the second piece goes out. So that's why an extra minute is taken in the total welding cycle time. So in 4 minutes you get 2 rectangles, 2 minutes per rectangle, 30 rectangles per hour, and consequently 240 rectangles or 240 frames in a shift of 8 hours with quad double stack welding.